How to fix Fiverr activation failed. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if your Fiverr activation is failing. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. The first thing you need to do is check if your Fiverr is up to date. So go ahead and search for Fiverr on your Google Play Store. If there is any update available, just make sure to tap on the update button to update the app to its latest version. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and open up your phone settings. Scroll down to the bottom until you see your app settings. And now from the list of your apps, you are just going to find your Fiverr app. I'm just going to search for it here. And once you find it, just tap on it. Now, once you open up your Fiverr, make sure to allow all of these permissions. And once you allow these permissions, head over to storage to clear cache. And if you want, you can try to clear all of its data as well. And under battery, make sure that it's on optimized. Then just restart your phone once like this. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and try to log back into your Viber and see if the activation is taking place or not. After doing all of this, you should be able to fix the problem. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys next time.